What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how to create WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to your browser, Chrome browser like this. Then what you need to do is type create WA link. Okay, after typing this you have to search this. Please make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can find your WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. So after searching, so you have to go to on this website in the top first corner. After going to this website, you have to scroll down and you have to click on this option right here, create a free WhatsApp link. Okay, after clicking on this, you have to put your country code like that. You have to select your country. So I'm living in Bangladesh, that's why I'm searching Bangladesh. You have to search yours to find your WhatsApp link. Okay, like this. So after searching the country code, you have to put your phone number of your WhatsApp phone number. You have to put in here. I'm going to do mine. Okay, after doing so, what you can see here is the option to generate my WhatsApp link. You have to click on generate my WhatsApp link like here. After clicking so, you can find a new option like this. You have to scroll all the way down and here you can see here is a QR code of your WhatsApp on this, and you can click on this. This is your WhatsApp link and this is your WhatsApp QR code. So how can you copy it? You have to click on copy link so that you can paste it on anywhere, so that you can put your WhatsApp link on anywhere. So if you want to download the QR code, you can download it from here. Otherwise, you can copy your WhatsApp link from here. So this is how you can find your WhatsApp link on your mobile phone. I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.